सीताराम। राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीताराम। राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीताराम। राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीताराम। राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीताराम। राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। ईश्वर
Now I request our respected principal madam, Dr. Mrs. E. Pushpalata ma'am, to give welcome address. Welcome ma'am.
Good morning, everybody. Om Namo Bhagavate Mahasudarshanaya Vasudevaya Dhanvantre Amuda Kalasha Hastaya Sarva Bhaya Nivarnaya Sarva Roga Nivarnaya Trilogya Padaye Sri Mahavishnuve Swarupa. At this juncture, I would like to pay all my blessings at the feet of Lord Krishna in order to rescue the whole world from this pandemic disease. At this juncture, I would like to pay my prayers in the feet of Lord Krishna to rescue the whole world from the pandemic and preserve and rescue the people from this COVID-19. So at this juncture, I would like to place my blessings before God to shower His blessings and grace on this occasion. At this moment, I would like to pay my respect and regard to the Honorable Secretary, Mrs. E.M.J.S. Indrani, whose eminent leadership has driven the institution to such an esteemed position. And I will also pay my respect to the beloved President, Mr. E.M.G.S. Potiraja, and all the board members of the esteemed institution. I would also appreciate the faculties of the Department of Nutrition and Dietetics, who have taken a lot of efforts in bringing this webinar. And I also welcome, at this point, very proudly, I would like to welcome our chief guest, Ms. Lakshana, who has been an expertise in pastry and baking. Very young entrepreneur. She is a very young entrepreneur who is versatile in pastry arts. She has undergone 1,440 hours practical training in 9 months and acquired a specialized training in bread, ice creams, plated desserts, chocolates, and an additional training for wheel in making cookies and travel cakes. Being a young entrepreneur and appreciable biodata and resume, I would like to welcome Ms. Lakshana for this webinar. And I also welcome all the participants around who have come to join us in this webinar. Welcome one and all on behalf of the management, principal, and all the students. We welcome you, everybody, for this webinar, and I hand over the session to Dr. Thamil, the HOD of Nutrition and Dietetics Department.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. In the present scenario, there is a major change observed in eating habit and lifestyle among the public. Some technical error, ma'am. Wait for 2 seconds.
மேம்
It's not.
வரவே இல்ல சார்.
அந்த ஒரு நிமிஷம் மேடம்
யூடியூப்ல
ஒரு நிமிஷம் கொஞ்சம் ஒரு நிமிஷம் ஒரு 5 மினிட்ஸ் இல்லை மேடம் வந்துடும் ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
ஓகே சார்.
So that everybody sees your work. We are unable to see the work. Yeah, that's good.
So this is the even you have to keep, and if you top it, you top it with walnuts. So the baking takes really a long time, so you have to preheat the oven to 150 degrees for 15 minutes. So after the preheating is done, you can just bake it for other 15 to 20 minutes for the same temperature. So like now we don't have much time. I've already baked and kept. So I'll just show you how will the texture be. So I've already baked and kept. So because of the oil I added, the texture is really very good. So you can store this for literally 3 to 4 days. And if you guys like to eat with brownie and with ice cream and stuff, you can really heat it up for just 3 to 4 seconds or 10 seconds in the microwave, and you can just do it. So this is a simple recipe. I think hopefully everybody liked it. So do try. So now I'll go to the session of tricks and what alternative you can give for the ingredients. Okay. So I have used normal cocoa powder. So instead of cocoa powder, if you get black cocoa powder, it is very good for brownies. So brownies are always in a dark chocolatey color. So I recommend you guys to go to dark chocolate color. If it's not available, you can obviously go to normal cocoa powder. So normal cocoa powder, the brands are really good. It's Cadbury's is good and Hershey's is very good. And even the Baker's brand is very good. So you can obviously try any 3 of this. So anyone, it's very nice. So, and it is not a costly and something like that. So if you don't have cocoa powder, the alternative for it is you can use dark compound chocolate, where it should be semi-sweetened, because you're adding sugar to it. So it has to not be so sugary. So go with dark compound. So dark compound, you have to take around half cup, which has to be melted, and you have to add it to the liquid. So you should not add it to the powder. You need to add it to the liquid with the curd, powder sugar, and baking powder and baking soda, and you have to mix it. So if you don't have cocoa powder, you can alternate with that. And it's definitely compulsory thing, where when you make brownies, you have to bake in a square tin or a rectangle tin. So here I haven't used butter because brownie so many people love. So you can literally store it for 3 to 4 days when it comes to oil, and it is so moist. So brownies, I always recommend you people to use oil. Then the oil, you need to use the non-smell one. So the refined oil is the proper oil which you can use it for brownies. So the next tip is always the brownie should be on a size. It should not be so big. So when it comes to bite size, it has to go to minimum 3 inches or 3.5. So not more than that, because people will feel there's too much of sugar. So then always measure the ingredients. These are the tips and tricks I want to really share for walnut brownie. If you have any doubts, I'm so sorry. I cannot ask you guys what the doubts and everything. In any time, you can mail me what are the doubts regarding walnut brownie, I can tell you about it. So my mail ID is theloveforbaking@gmail.com. So you guys can contact me anytime. So I will reply you back for sure. So thank you so much for inviting me. I really liked the show. I think you guys also loved it. Thank you so much.
Thank
மேம்
you.
கொஞ்சம் இன்கிரீடியன்ட் மட்டும் சொல்லிட்டீங்கன்னா இப்பதான் கொஞ்சம் லாஸ்டா கொஞ்சம் பேர் வந்திருக்காங்க. கொஞ்சம் இன்கிரீடியன்ட் மட்டும் என்னென்னு சொல்லிட்டீங்கன்னா யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும் உங்களுக்கு.
Okay, so like few members have joined at the last, so I would like to tell you guys the procedure as a repeat. Okay, so the ingredients I have used for the first bowl was half cup of curd, then 1 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half teaspoon of baking soda. So I personally like to use hand whisk instead of hand beater. So you need to mix it in a one direction, and when it becomes, everything combines and it becomes very white, then you add half cup of oil to the mixture, and you have to mix it in one direction. Because when you add oil to the mixture, the it won't mix properly. So you need to mix in one direction with the whisk. So I keep aside and I took another bowl. I already sieved all the dry ingredients. That is flour, 1 cup. Then I add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder, 1 pinch of salt, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So I have already sifted it. So I kept it aside because there was not much time. So you have to, after mixing the mixture and after you sieve the dry ingredients, you have to add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients in 3 batches by cut and fold method. The cut and fold method you should be doing only with a spatula. So this is like you have to go deep into it and you have to cut. It's not like mixing, it is like go deep in and cut. So that is the method you have to do. So after doing it, I have already lined the tin with oil because oil is an ingredient. So you can also use butter for it, but I used oil for it and I greased it and I've lined it with paper. So people who didn't see, I can just show you guys. So this is how I lined. So the base you can cut separately and the sides you can cut
Just
and you can line it.
slantingly, Lakshana. Just hold it slantingly so that we could see.
So this is how I poured also the batter and I evened it on top. So after adding the walnuts in the batter, you can also top the brownie with walnuts on top. But for me personally, I don't like using walnuts on top because the texture will not be there for the brownie. So I usually bake this brownie for 150 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. If the 15 to 20 minutes, after the 15 to 20 minutes, you have to check with the screwer. So when it is not baked, you can bake extra for 10 minutes. So I've already baked few brownies. So the texture for the brownie when you add oil, it's very moist and you can really store it for 3 to 4 days. So when it comes to butter, you need to finish it by 2 days. So it won't stay long. So as it is because of its dairy, so you need to finish it by 2 days. So thank you so much. I really enjoyed the live session and it was the first time for me, so I was kind of nervous too. So anyways, thank you.
It was wonderful. It was wonderful. But still, it was a great session. Since you have started the first one, it was awesome. So feel free. When you start doing a lot of sessions, you'll do it in expertise. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, okay.
Over
Thank
to
you.
Tamil.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Lakshmi, for your wonderful presentation of walnut brownie recipe. It will be helpful for the youngsters, homemakers, and the beginners to do the recipe by their own in their home. definitely it will be useful for us during the lockdown period because most of us are scared to buy eatables for kids, eatables for kids, eatables for outside shops, especially bakery shops, especially during this pandemic period. So generally, children likes to have bakery products, especially like cookies, biscuits, especially this pastry products like cake. That too, chocolate flavor is the universal flavor recipe. The kids will like the recipe most. Cooking is an art. That too, presentation. That is preparation of bakery products like this brownie cake is in a hygienic way. Prepared by in our home itself. To our family members, especially to the kids, will give happiness, satisfaction to the homemakers as well as for all the family members. So I want to ask one question, Lakshana.
Yes, ma'am.
Two questions. What is the we have added a star ingredient as walnut in the brownie recipe preparation. Likewise, what are the other? Shall we add other nuts also to incorporate in this brownie cake?
So the brownie is a classic. So brownie is a classic dessert. So it is always goes with walnuts. You cannot add cashew nuts to it. But other than cashew nuts, you can add lots of chocolates to it, where you can make it make it very fudgy. So you can add a compound chocolate which is chopped, and you can add it to it. And you can also add choco chips to it for making it more fudgy. So you cannot add other nuts, but walnut is a basic ingredient for the classic walnut brownie.
What is the correct temperature to bake this brownie recipe at correct temperature? Because
So
sometimes
each brownie differs. So each
sometimes
brownie differs.
what
So
correct
when
temperature you have baked?
so you always have to preheat in the temperature that you bake. So when you bake the temperature for 150 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, you need to preheat the oven for 150 degrees for 15 minutes. So when you bake it for 15 to 20 minutes, some oven is literally very different. So if it's not baked, so you need to leave it again in the oven for other 10 more minutes. So definitely you will get the change, but it's according to the oven. So I normally use OTG oven because I bake so much. So for me, it takes literally around 25 minutes. So it, but mostly it has to get ready by 20 minutes.
Tell me some cookies recipes, interesting and simple cookies recipes to do at home. Because I'm also having oven OTG oven. I generally used to prepare cookies that is choose berries. Other than that, I don't know other cookies. Some simple and nutritious, delicious cookie preparation. Just tips.
So I will go with diamond cookies, which is like butter cookies, but the outer covering will be with sugar. So this is a very simple one, but most of the cookies are covered with egg. So here this session is full of eggless, so I really don't want to talk about something which is related to egg. And this is the topic regarding what I'm going to do is like it is about the walnut brownie. So if you guys have any doubt, you can definitely email me and ask. I can definitely reply to you people. So my email ID I really repeat. So it is the love for baking at gmail.com. So I will again repeat the love for baking at gmail.com. So you guys can email me for any such doubts. I can personally talk to you about it, or if you want any other recipes also, I can talk about it. And I have a personal account. I think some people are following this, so you guys can also follow it on Instagram. It's called the Magic Oven. So I'm planning to take online eggless desserts and so many classes. So if you guys are interested, you can DM me on that, or you can also
Thank you very much, Nakshana. The details of ingredients along with the quantity and the method of preparation of walnut brownie is vividly spelled out in simple language to understand by people with all walks of life. It is of great guidance for everyone who aspires to carry on with the preparation of baked items. So thank you so much. At this juncture, I would like to share the health benefits of consuming walnuts. Because the walnuts, it is rich in antioxidants, and it has a rich source of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, especially linoleic acid fatty acids. These useful good cholesterol. And it promotes healthy gut also. Our gut should improve by probiotic bacteria, and reduces the risk of cancer and supports weight control. Beneficial to heart health. Walnuts are excellent source of copper, folic acid. Nutritionist, I want to share this nutrition information to all of you. Let's see, move on to the vote of thanks. Because participants have sent their appreciation in the chat box. Still, it is my duty to propose the formal vote of thanks. Good afternoon to one and all. It's my privilege to propose the formal vote of thanks on behalf of the organizers and on my own behalf. Gratitude.
Madam? Madam? கேக்குது. கொஞ்சம் ஆன் பண்ணிக்கங்க மேடம் மைக்கை.
For making this webinar on walnut brownie. Record license, thanks to our management, President, EMGS both Gopalakrishnan sir, Secretary and Correspondent, EMGS Indirani Amma for their great support and for permitting us to conduct this webinar. I extend my sincere thanks to our respected Principal Madam, Dr. Mrs. B. Pushpalata ma'am. Ma'am will always help motivate us in carrying out such important academic events. Without your support, guidance, and motivation, each and every step from planning, organizing, and executing, this webinar could not have happened today. Thank you, ma'am. I also thank our Vice Principal, ma'am, Mrs. S. Sivakama Sundari Madam, Assistant Professor and Head Department of English for constant support to conduct these kind of academic virtual programs. Thank you, ma'am. It's a pleasure to thank our excellent resource person of today's webinar program. This is Lakshana Shri, baking technologist, for the well-packed information, and you took the entire session so lightly and was comprehensive and covering the important aspects in preparing the nutritious, tasty walnut brownie cake in easy method. A big thanks to Lakshana.
Thank you so much.
I thank all the staff members of my Department of Nutrition Analysis for their support and encouragement. I thank all the HODs of various disciplines of my
Due to COVID, the food preparation இது வந்து அதில் யூடியூப்ல வராதனால இன்னைக்கு அதை வயலேட் பண்ணி அதனால லைவ் கொடுக்க முடியல. சாரி ஃபார் ஆல். இது
So
லைவ்
guys, this
அப்புறமேட்டு.
is the page which I always, you guys can follow me. I don't know, because of the light you cannot find it. So, but this is my personal account. You can see, so many of you asked about it. So you just
சாட்
check it
பாக்ஸ்ல
out. So it's
போட்டுருங்க
a
மேடம்.
magic oven.
சாட் பாக்ஸ்ல கொஞ்சம் டைப் பண்ணி கூட போட்டீங்கன்னா உங்க ஐடி தெரிஞ்சிடும் மேடம்.
அது எங்க இருக்குன்னு தெரியலையே. Chat box சொல்றீங்களா?
சாட் பாக்ஸ்ல உங்க ஐடி மெயில் ஐடி போட்டீங்கன்னா யார் வியூவர்ஸ் இருக்காங்களோ பாத்துக்குவாங்க.
Finally, I thank all the participants who are representing from all over the country for their presence from the start to the end of this webinar. I hope everyone of you benefited from today's webinar. And thank you again for making this online dating webinar on walnut brownie successful. Thank you all. Dear participants, an announcement for you. We will be sharing the feedback link in the chat box. It will be open for the group community. You can fill it in for details. Only 100 certificates only when automatically generated that day. So within 2 days, surely you all will get your certificate. Once again, I thank all of you. Thank you so much. Shall I end the session, sir?
ஓகே மேடம். ஃபீட்பேக் ஃபார்ம் கூட இந்த சாட் பாக்ஸ்ல போட்டிருக்கேன், வேணும்னா எடுத்துக்கலாம். என் பண்ணிடலாமா மேடம்? அவ்வளவுதானே?
Participants feedback link. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.